Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be baking whole potatoes in the air fryer. What we need for this recipe are potatoes and olive oil. So the first step would be to pierce potatoes with a fork in several places so they don't explode. Next, let's open the air fryer basket and put the potatoes in the air fryer. And next, I will pour a little olive oil over each potato and rub them with olive oil all over. So now the potatoes are prepared and it's time to bake them in the air fryer. So let's put the air fryer basket back in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees and I will set the time to 45 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at our baked potatoes. They're perfectly cooked with crispy skin. Once you try making baked potatoes in the air fryer, you'll never want to make them any other way. They're just so easy to make, so perfectly cooked. Crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Perfect texture. Look at that crispy skin. Perfect. Now I'm going to cut a potato in half and try it. Perfect fluffy inside. And let's season it. I'm going to use salt, pepper, and butter. What a perfect baked potato. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's see. Perfect, yay. You will love these air fryer baked potatoes. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.